students, good afternoon. Let's discuss this. So, when you are subtracting these numbers, the process is the same. Take out the LCM, then make it an equivalent fraction, make the denominator equal to the fraction, and keep on going. All right. So, this is very, very important. So, 5 by 9 minus 6 by 18, if we do, 18 will be the LCM, right? You can use the long division method to take out the LCM if you want, or if the LCMs, if the numbers are common, right, just see which be the common number. Can 18 be divided by 9? Yes, and 18 can of course be divided by 18, right? So what will happen? 9 into 2 and 5 into 2, 10 minus 6 over 18, so 4 over 18. You can further reduce it to a smaller fraction and you'll get 2 by 9. Similarly here, 2 by 4 minus 3 by 16, 16 is your LCM, 4 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 3, 5 over 16. 3 over 7 minus 2 by 6. Now when the numbers are not at all common, you can multiply them to get the LCM or just use the long division method, whichever you are comfortable with. 42, 7 6 are 42, 3 6 are 18, 6 7 are 42, 2 7 are 14. So 4 over 42, 18 minus 14 over 42, 2 over 21. 17 over 34 minus 19 over 51. Now 51 cannot be common to 34 and 51, so you'll have to use the long division method. 102, right? To make it 102, you will have to multiply this by 3. All right, and how by 3? So divide 102 by 34, or you can just check whether it's 102 or not. 3 4s are 12, 2, right? 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, 102. All right, so 51 minus 38, and this is your answer. Similarly here, 50 and 150, 150 will be the LCM. 25 into 3, 75, because 50 into 3 is 150, 75 minus 27, right? And continue doing this, you'll get 48 over 150, and then you'll get 24 over 75. Similarly here, 200 will be your LCM, right? So multiply this by 2, 83 also by 2, 166 minus 91, 75 over 200, right? So use a common factor. So 15 5s are use a common factor, right? So what are we doing? We are doing it by 5, right? Just a moment, hold on. So 75 over 200, 5 15. See, I forgot to write 15. I keep on making these errors to make you realize that if you do a mistake, your answers will change. So 5 3 15s are 5 15s are 75, and 5 40s are 200, right? So you get 15 over 40. Take a common factor, you can take 5, 5 3s are 15, and 5 8s are 40, so 3 over 8 is your answer. Now look at this. 70 is your LCM, so 10 7s are 70, 42 minus 4, right? 38 over 70. 2 can divide both these numbers, so 35 to the 70, okay, and 19. So 19 over 35. 24 over 48 minus 7 over 96, so 96 is your LCM. 48 2s are 96, 24 to the 48, 48 minus 7, 41 over 96. Now be careful about this. 3 over 12 minus 4 over 8. Now LCM for both these numbers will be 24. 12 2s are 24, 3 2s are 6, and 8 3s are 24, 4 3s are 12. So 6 minus 12 will give you a minus. So the answer will be minus 6 over 24. Method is the same, just the sign changes. The same thing over here, 5 over 7 minus 3 by 4. So you do it, 28, 5 4s are 20, and 4 7s are 28, 20 minus 21 is minus 1 by 28. Now these are additions which we have been doing so often. 35 is your LCM, right? 4 7s are 28, and 7 5s are 35, so 3 5s are 15, so this is your answer we have. 4 by 7 plus 8 by 9, the same thing happens, 63, right? And 7 9s are 63, 4 9s are 36, and 9 7s are 63, 8 7s are 56, right? So 92 over 63. Let's look at, now look at this. Ratna and Kamna ate 1/4 and 2/4 of the cake. So cake ka pura portion, the whole portion will be 1, right? Add these, whatever amount was eaten, 1/4 plus 2/4 is 3/4, simple. Now left is the whole cake, 1 minus 3/4, alright? Because the cake is a whole, and out of that whole you are making portions, right? You made 4 plus 4, 8, so this 4 over 4 plus 4 over 4 would have been 1, right? So 1/4 and 3/4, so you made portions. So 1 minus 3/4, okay? So 1 minus 3/4 will always give you an answer, 1/4. So out of a whole, if you ate 3/4, you are left with 1/4, but the process will be this, 1 minus 3/4. So this is 1, how will you get a 1? 1 by 1, right? We'll make a 1 and minus 3/4. Again the LCM thing, right? So 4, 4 minus 3, 1/4. Now look at this. This is another very interesting sum. In my purse there were 1,000 rupees. Wife used 2/5. So wife used 400 rupees. Daughter used 1/6. So 166.66. So decimals. Money used. Add this and this. You will get this 566.66. Money left. Subtract from the total. 1,000 minus 566.66. 433.34 is the amount left. So yes, you can buy a pen which will cost you 300 rupees. Shama ate 3/5 of a pizza. How much portion of the pizza is left? So 3/5 out of how much? Of one pizza, right? So 1 minus 3/5 is 2/5. So when you add 3/5 plus 2/5, you will get a 5/5 which will make it a 1, right? So 1 minus 3/5 and 1 over 1 minus 3/5, 2/5 is left. If Seema slept 240 minutes of 600 minutes, so just do the number of minutes she slept will be the numerator, out of the total number that will be the denominator, and keep on dividing it. You will get the answer 8 by 20. How 8 by 20? The 0 gets cut, this 0 gets cuts. 3 8s are 24 and 3 20s are 60, right? So now 8 by 20, 2 2s are 4 and 2 10s are 20. Right, so 2 2s are 4, so 2 4s are 8 and 2 10s are 20, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Just check whether 2/5 of 600 is 240. Yes, it is. So your answer is correct. So I hope you enjoyed doing this exercise, and we will have further such exercises in the weeks to come. Thank you.